Make KFC bowls for 6 people for less than $12. Let me show you how. Hey everyone, it's Zip Dude here. We're going to go make a trip to Aldi's, pick up 5 ingredients, spend less than $12, and make KFC Copycat Bowls to feed 6 people. Okay, let's grab a can of corn, a box of instant mashed potatoes, a packet of brown gravy mix, a pound of cheddar cheese, and the most important thing, our popcorn chicken. Okay, now that we have all our ingredients assembled, first thing we're going to do is make mashed potatoes. We're going to follow the directions and try to make 6 servings. Okay, time to cook our popcorn chicken. Directions say it needs to be 450 degrees in the oven for 12 minutes. We'll pour in our gravy mix and then stir in a cup of water. Heat it up on medium heat till it starts to bubble, and then we'll turn it down and simmer for about a minute. Drain the liquid from our corn and heat it up in the microwave for about 90 seconds. 12 minutes are up. Now it's time to take the popcorn chicken out of the oven. Almost ready. Now we need to put down a layer of mashed potatoes into a bowl. A layer of corn. Some popcorn chicken. Gravy. And last but not least, our shredded cheese. Doesn't it look good? I hope that you try this recipe, and I also hope you like it as much as I do. If this is of value to you, please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.